welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a full line review on Rizos curls. This is basically an Instagram brand that has been going around for the past year and a half now, and it's getting very popular. As you can see, I need a wash. It has been like 6 days, I think. So I'm going to test out this line. I have used the cream before, but I think I needed to use the shampoo and conditioner first. So first, I'm starting with the Hydrating Shampoo that has shea butter in it, so it's going to be very hydrating. And as you can see, this is my first time using it because I forgot to take off the little thing that covers it, whatever you want to call that. So it's very creamy and rich, and I love the smell, y'all. It smells so good. So I'm taking a little bit of the shampoo, and it's going to do that on my roots only because it goes all the way down when you rinse it, so there's no point on putting it on your ends. Along with shea butter, this shampoo does have moringa oil, which helps with dandruff and split ends. So after rinsing out the shampoo, as you can see, it actually detangled my hair pretty well because my hair was looking a hot mess and it was very tangled from not being washed for 6 days. So now I'm going to follow up with their conditioner. And this is also a deep conditioner, so you can leave it in for, 30 minutes if you want to. But today I'm just going to use it as a regular in the shower conditioner. It's very thick and creamy, smells amazing. I don't even know how to describe the smell, kind of like a fruity, coconutty smell maybe would describe it to me. But it's very pleasing, so I like it. And as you can see, it detangles very well. This conditioner has olive oil to improve hair elasticity, sunflower oil to promote hair growth and remove buildup, and coconut oil for breakage. Now I'm going to comb through my hair since all my conditioner is in and leave that in for the remainder of my shower. So here's my hair after the conditioner is still in right now, and as you can see, it's super bouncy and I feel like it's repairing my elasticity. I'm absolutely loving it, and I feel like it just made my hair curlier and more defined. But you all will see that when we get done with this. As you can see, my hair is very smooth and my fingers are just gliding through it, so I'm very impressed with this conditioner. Now I've rinsed my conditioner out by upside down, because if you struggle with any frizz in your crown area and you feel like your curls at the bottom are more defined, try this and see if it works for you. But I've been doing this since middle school. Look at this clump, y'all, already, and I literally just rinsed out the conditioner. Like, yes, Rizos curls, I'm loving it. And this one is sulfate, paraben, and silicone free. So now I'm out of the shower. My hair is damp. As you can see, it already has a little ringlets forming. So I just feel like it's just, working wonders right now. This line has no protein, so I was afraid maybe I was going to get a moisture overload or anything, but I did not. So I think that's with this line, you have to use a shampoo and conditioner with it for it to work the best, is what I found in my case. So first, I'm taking the curl defining cream. It's super hydrating. So I use this by itself, and I'm very impressed with it. Y'all, I could just not get this out. It's so thick, but I absolutely love it. So I'm taking my hair in sections and just applying this, and I feel like I did get a little too much on this section, but ended up working out anyway. So that's okay. I was just like not thinking of how much I needed, but it's not gonna weigh your hair down or anything. At least in my case, my hair doesn't really get weighed down easy, so it was fine. But as you can see, it's gliding through, and I'm going to do the praying hands method because you all know this gives me the best results. So I'm just going to continue doing that all throughout my head. I know y'all see this little clump, and these sides of my hair are the loosest parts of my hair. So that's how you know, like, this line is just repairing my hair from the inside out. I'm super excited. I was just so impressed with that, because everyone thinks, oh, your hair looks straight when wet, blah, blah, blah. As you can tell, it's not. Like, I need y'all to stop. Anyway, I'm just going to keep applying this through my sections, but as you can see, it's just giving me definition already. So I'm just so impressed. I don't even know how to explain it. So you always ask, how do I get volume? Literally this. I take where it separates and I literally push that all back, comb it all back, whatever you want to call it, and kind of rake it and shake, and that gives me some volume. So I'm going to air dry and I'll be back. Y'all, Rizos curls did not come to play today. I cannot remember the last time my hair was this defined, soft, bouncy, no frizz. Look at that. I know you see that. Like, come on now. If you don't see that, then you need to get an eye exam or something. But anyway, I'm going to take my pick and just pick it out for a little bit more volume. Y'all, I'm so impressed because I'm due for a trim, but I'm waiting on that. So this really did help with my definition and just getting my layers more defined. I am so excited. Like, look at this. I'm impressed. All right, y'all. It's day 2. Just woke up. As you can see, my hair's in a pineapple. This how I sleep, high ponytail, pineapple, whatever, with my hair. So I'm going to shake it out. And you can just see the frizz. Like, look at that. I know you see the top of that. So we are going to use their Refresh and Detangling spray. And I absolutely love this stuff. Even if I don't use the cream, I will use the spray to refresh because it just helps so much. I don't even know how to explain it. Also, pineapples help with volume. Okay, so I'm taking my water and just spraying like the top part of my hair. I don't like to take too long on my refresh. That's why it's a refresh. It's easy, it's quick. So if you're on the go, then you can do this very simple. So here is the spray, and it's kind of like the cream, but I like to spray it on my hand, and then just apply it where I need to. And I'm just smoothing down my curls and scrunching them, and I'm good to go. Now I'm just scrunching it off for some volume, and I let it air dry, and here we go. Look at it. It's refreshed. It's good to go. It's bouncy, shiny, defined. Everything I could ask for in a wash and go. If you haven't tried this cream, give it a try with the shampoo and conditioner. I do have a 10% off using Sydney10. The link will be in the description. I'm so grateful for you all. Thank you all for following me on this journey. I love you all. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.